Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ram 2500. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you also have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Rugged liner bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Ram on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.